नमस्कार फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, 2 जून 23 को यूएफबीयू ने 2 पत्र लिखे, एक ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस स्कीम के बारे में और दूसरा बैंकर्स ड्यूल इश्यूज के बारे में। दोनों आईबीए को एड्रेस किया गया। यूएफबीयू सब कमेटी लेटर टू आईबीए रिगार्डिंग ग्रुप मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस स्कीम. We are in receipt of your letter dated 19th May 23 and note the contents therein. We would like to broadly submit our views as under. First, the group medical insurance policy should be a combined and composite policy comprising of A. The scheme applicable to in-service employee and officers. B. The scheme applicable to the retirees. Second, insurance companies should be asked to submit their premium quotation for the combined composite policy. Third, the existing scheme for in-service employees to continue for the renewal period October 23 to September 24 with modification on few areas as under. A. TPA having maximum number of cashless facilities and coverage of the hospitals on pan-India basis should be chosen. Number 2. B. Process of the submission of the documents by employees officers should be as discussed in last meeting, that is through electronic mode and linked to TPA. C. Penalty clause for the delayed approval and payment should be incorporated. D. All above should be incorporated in the scheme for the retirees also. Fourth, further improvements in the scheme will be taken up in the ensuing wage revision negotiation. Fifth, for the retirees officers, we have already suggested a basic insurance policy with the suitable cap relating to room rent charge, ICU charge, etc. according to the area of the location of the hospital, as well as by working out some ceiling on some of the common treatments. 6. This should be the base policy and with optional top-up policy facility. 7th, the additional premium for the additional coverage top-up policy will be payable by the concerned retiree. The premium for this basic policy to be negotiated with the insurance company and to be kept at the reasonable rate. 8. The premium for the basic policy to be borne by the respective bank managements. 9th, the insurance company should also offer top-up scheme for the higher amounts of sum insured and higher risk coverage, etc. on an optional basis as per the needs and choice of retirees. 10th, for example, the basic policy may be of rupees 2 lakhs for retirees, employees and officers. The amount of the coverage to be further discussed and finalized. 11th, over and above the basic policy applicable to the retirees, optional top-up facility should be available. Say, additional coverage from rupees 1 lakh to 10 lakh and additional premium to be paid by retirees. 12th, the basic policy should have the option for single insured as per the choice of the retirees. 13th, all the existing and the future retirees should be covered by this basic insurance policy. 14th, the retirees who are not covered by the existing policy should be given an option to join this policy. 15th, IBA to consider forming a common welfare trust comprising of all the banks who are part of the group insurance scheme and the insurance policy to be made in the name of welfare trust, so that the incidence of GST may not be applicable. Or 16th, room rent bed charges as per the per day for the retirees. Metro 3000, other center 2500. ICU charges, Metro 6000, other centers 5000. These bed charges, room rent, ICU rates, etc. to be finalized after discussion and look into the rates applicable in different areas. Room rent, bed charges may also be tagged as a percentage of the amount coverage of the policy. Cap on the treatments. 18th, cap maximum amount of reimbursement can be made applicable to the following treatments: cataract operation, hernia, angiogram, angioplasty, CABG, knee replacement, kidney stone removal, surgery related to the fractures, etc. Illustrative list only. Ceiling can be different fixed for hospital in metro, urban center and other center. It can be 80% of the cap fixed for the metro and urban centers. 19th, the list of treatment and ceiling to be finalized after the mutual discussion and taking inputs from some medical expert. 20th, co-pay system. We are not in favor of the introduction of co-pay system. We request you to convene a meeting of the subcommittee immediately so that a model scheme can be worked out for discussion and finalization between IBA and UFBU. Thanking you. डिटेल्ड मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी के बारे में यूएफबी ने सजेस्ट किया है और मीटिंग कन्वीन करने के लिए आग्रह किया है। कुल मिला के क्या होता है ये तो आने वाला समय बताएगा, लेकिन रिटायरीज का स्कीम कन्वीनियंट होना चाहिए और बेसिक प्रीमियम जो बेसिक पॉलिसी के लिए हो वो बैंक मैनेजमेंट को बिगर करना चाहिए। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।